close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Switch off all lights. Do not look out of any windows. Do not respond to any knocks on your windows or doors until the all clear is given. Remain silent at all times. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noise which emanates from outside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any lights outside your home. If you see any unidentified figure inside your home, or from the corner of your eyes,
attempt to make contact.
She is on your ceiling.
Should any member of your family go missing, run out and search for them.
And welcome everyone to Cryptid News. I'm your host, Dill number 12. We interrupt tonight's programming to bring you breaking news out of Santa Clara, California, where multiple cryptids have been reported on the loose, causing property damage and, unfortunately, human fatalities. We have Dill number 36 on scene right now. Dill, what can you tell us? Thank you, Dill number 12. We know at this hour that there are multiple cryptids in the area. Police say you should stay out of the area. Dill number 36, you are standing way too far away from the camera. What? All right, Dill number 36, thank you. Now, the CEO of the CRA, Eli Buckmaster, has not yet released a statement regarding whether he is going to deploy Dill number 1 or any of his task force units to this area to handle the cryptid situation, but we will keep you updated on if that changes at this hour. But as of right now, nothing new has happened. Stay tuned to Cryptid News. I'm your host, Dill number 12, and I will see you in a bit.